All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. And in this video, we're gonna be seeing if my Procharged Shelby GT350 shoots flames. We're gonna be sticking a GoPro on the back of the car to see what's going on, man. If you guys enjoy the content, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications. I'm gonna drop my GoPro 9 on the suction cup, so if it falls off, it's not that big of a deal because the 9, at least my GoPro 9, it acts up a little bit, so it is what it is. But we gonna see, man, if this car be shooting some flames. Let me go ahead and get the GoPro all situated. As you guys can see here, we got the suction cup as well as the GoPro 9. Give me a quick second.
A few moments later.
All right, so this should be able to capture if we're shooting some flames, y'all. I'll be able to see everything on the app too, so let's fire up. My rear left tire, I need to get some air in that tire, but let me switch to the hat clip and then we'll be good to go. All right, I got both GoPros going right now. Let me switch this to sport mode. We're gonna hit up my little spot in Mexico. Hopefully the GoPro does not come off, man, and hopefully it does shoot some flames because the angle looks legit. Woo -hoo -hoo -hoo. This angle looks good, y'all. I'm gonna do some like downshifts right now. Shooting flames, like just little baby flames. I have no idea, because I've never had somebody record the car from the outside before, so I don't know. We're gonna find out today. Definitely shot a flame right there. Thinking about it now, I hope I have it on the right side. Why did it shoot the flames like on the right side? I have it on the don't think it should matter though. That audio is probably distorted, but I'm really just trying to see what this thing doing. It could be shooting some massive flames. Get closer to Mexico.
One eternity later.
All right. Got it hooked back up. Of all nights, man, we got some cars out here, like, bruh, there's like fucking trucks and everything. A couple trucks and another SUV. I don't even know if this is a cop. I want to do a little test hit up here. Not a cop. Little third gear hit.
A few moments later.
Oh, there's a constable right there. Holy. Woo! Damn. That was actually the first time I've seen a Federale out there in a hot minute, y'all. Like a very, very long time. Sheesh. Cause that spot's good because like you can see like a mile ahead, a mile back, and there's nowhere that people can merge on. So that's kind of like why I always hit it up. We'll be able to do a hit up here. I don't need to do like a second, third to fourth. I just need to do like a second to third realistically just to see. Because if it's gonna shoot a flame, he'll do second to third for sure. Let this car on my right just go on, brother man. Hell yeah. it got it. Let me make sure my GoPro's even still strapped on. It really could have came off. Oh no, shit, it's still on there. Whew. All right, gonna let the car cool off for a little bit, man. Whew, I really hope it shot some flames. That second to third to fourth, I think it did. I think I heard it. Man. I do need to get some new tires though, because I actually aired up my rear driver's side tire yesterday. It's like 26 PSI, it's back to 21. I got 10K miles out of those Mickey Thompsons, man. 10K miles. That is a lot for Mickey's. So I'm gonna try to wait it out as long as I can. So I'm trying to get some wheels for this car. 18s in the back, different setup in the front, but I think it's gonna look good. All right, it's the next day. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. The Shelby GT350 sure in fact is shooting flames now after the Procharger install. Some pretty massive flames, because I actually had the GoPro on the wide angle, the super view lens function, and the flames were coming off of the frame, which means they gotta be pretty big. So if you guys enjoy, feel free, drop a like in the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I'm gonna go ahead and get a 360 cam just so I can kind of get like the whole experience, because the way I had it set up, obviously the flames are too big for that, which I think is pretty cool. I was not expecting them to be that big. So yeah, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.